How's it going, everybody? Trevor Randles Outdoors Iowa here today. We are back out on the river. It's a little bit chilly today. The wind isn't totally in my favor, but it's not against me either. It's an east, east-southeast wind, I believe. So we'll be able to make that work today. The object though today is to try to stay warm. This isn't the coldest that I have kayaked in, but I am just getting over being sick again, you guys, for the third time this fall. And I have about had it. I've never gotten sick this much. So I'm trying to be more and more careful. Granted, I'm still out here doing this, but I was going to be out here this weekend. But I'll tell you what, guys, I just felt so terrible I couldn't. I just couldn't get myself out the door. It was really frustrating. But we are out here today. I got a few hours. I'm going to try to make it as far down as I can. We'll see how it goes. We got a really big snowstorm supposedly coming our way. It's going to start hitting us this evening into tomorrow evening, I believe. They have projected anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, possibly 13 inches of snow for our area, you guys. So we'll see what that does for the hunting. The ice that we have formed in the last couple days with the cold weather we have had, it's definitely not going to help the ice. When you have snow on top of the ice like that, it just insulates it and makes it so it grows a lot slower, and it's really hard to tell what's good ice. So I'm hoping we're going to be on the ice within 2 weeks, but we'll see. We got some really cold temps coming up after the snow, and I will do my best to get out there on the ice and get some videos out for you guys of some ice fishing. Can't wait to catch the first ice fish of the year. But I'm going to start heading down river, and we're going to see how far we get before we see the next batch of geese. All right. Already just watched a big group of geese leave the first sandbar. They must be educated. Maybe there's some more that are still sitting down there though. That was about 20 or 30 geese probably. Oh, it just smacked the sandbar so hard. So hard. Got one. Oh. Oh, it just smacked the sandbar so hard. Alright guys, had that big group just get up and leave, and wasn't 2 minutes, and I watched about might have been 5, maybe 6 geese come my way. They kind of stayed a little bit off to the side to where, I mean, at least I still had a shot to the left, because it was to the right I wouldn't have had a shot. But it took me a minute to figure out the lead on it, and I got one. So, one goose down already. I think there's going to be a lot of geese on the river today, you guys. Let's get this trip started. Alright guys, first goose of the day, and it's a big honker. That's a big one. You guys enjoying the kayaking videos? I know I've been doing a lot of them this year. Bow hunting just didn't work out. Like I don't know, I just wasn't lucky this year. I was out there, I actually got to hunt more than I normally do, but it just didn't work out for me this year. It wasn't in cards. So I've been hitting the river more with the kayak, and it has been working out, you guys. I've been enjoying all this goose hunting on the kayak. So I hope you guys are too. I'll tell you what, guys, it's a good thing seagulls aren't dangerous. Look at them all. Well, I don't quite see how this is going to work out. There's a lot of ducks down here on this bend. And there's some geese. There go the geese. Unfortunately, they are going downriver. They've probably been shot at before. The geese are definitely getting smarter, that's for sure. At least a dozen ducks down here though, guys. That's a big group of mallards. Might even be more geese, I can't tell you yet. I was hoping with the wind coming at me that they'd jump into the wind and come towards me. But that wasn't the case. And there goes the ducks. Alright. We are running out of chances for geese. Wow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 ducks, you guys. And they're doing exactly what I wanted the geese to do. Interesting. And more mallards. That one's got a piece of grass hanging out of his mouth. Like 9 mallards. And it's not even duck season. Alright, guys. I'm almost to the last stretch before back to the boat ramp. Man, am I getting tired. I was pretty tired today when I started this trip. Almost ready to just pull over and take a nap before I get to this last stretch. But see a couple other groups of geese downriver. Nothing I really had a shot at though. So luckily I had those ones fly over me, and each shot I had I could hear it hitting the goose. And so I just kept adjusting my lead on it, and finally that last shot I must have hit it in the head. You could literally hear the BBs just pelting that goose. So I'm glad I at least got one. We didn't get skunked today. Even with this cold weather, a little bit of wind. It's like 24-mile-an-hour wind today. And like I said, with that snow coming in this evening, we still managed to get one. So still a successful hunting trip, one way or another. But I am on my way out of here. I'm going to see if I can make it back out at least one more time this week, possibly, but it's going to get really, really cold, you guys. And with that snow, depending on how much we get, that might change my idea. So, if not, ice fishing's right around the corner, you guys, and I will be out enjoying some ice fishing and showing you guys all the little adventures I can get out on. maybe get some tips and tricks going on too. Unless I see something before the boat ramp, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a quick little one, only one goose, but it was pretty cool to be able to shoot them flying over. That's pretty awesome. I like doing that. And I don't know, hopefully we get a few more before the season's over. I think I've got right at 2 more weeks of season left, I think. So I'll try to get out for at least maybe one more kayak trip if the weather lets me. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys later. I'm going to get on out of here. That's a walleye. And she swallowed it. That is a monster.